Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to open AutoPlay for quick access to media in laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to go to your settings. Now click on Bluetooth and devices. Now scroll down and go to AutoPlay. Here you can see the options of Use AutoPlay for all media and devices. You just have to turn on this button. If you want, you can choose AutoPlay difficulties. Click on this. You can choose any of them. I'm choosing Ask Me Every Time. Here also I'm choosing Ask Me Every Time. So this is how you can open AutoPlay to quick access to media in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.